Did you know that eating just one handful of blueberries can improve your memory performance by 25% in just 2 hours? It's true. Your brain consumes about 20% of your daily calories, which means the food you put into your body directly impacts how sharp, focused, and intelligent you feel every single day. What if I told you that there are 10 specific foods sitting in grocery stores right now that act like natural brain boosters, backed by scientific research and used by memory champions around the world? Today we're diving deep into the top 10 foods that can literally upgrade your brain power. I'm going to share the exact mechanisms behind how each one works, plus give you a complete one-day meal plan that you can start using immediately to transform your mental performance. Stick around until the end because that meal plan alone could save you hours of research and guesswork. Let's jump right into number 10 on our countdown. Fatty fish, particularly salmon, sardines, and mackerel, which contain omega-3 fatty acids that are absolutely crucial for brain function. Here's what most people don't realize about omega-3s. Your brain is made up of nearly 60% fat, and much of that fat comes from these essential fatty acids that your body cannot produce on its own. When you consume fatty fish regularly, you're literally feeding your brain the building blocks it needs to maintain healthy neural connections. Research shows that people who eat fatty fish at least twice per week have 40% lower rates of age-related cognitive decline compared to those who rarely consume it. The omega-3s, specifically DHA and EPA, help maintain the myelin sheath around your nerve fibers, which allows electrical signals in your brain to travel faster and more efficiently. Think of it like upgrading from dial-up internet to fiber optic cables in your head. Moving to number 9, we have walnuts. And these aren't just shaped like tiny brains by coincidence. Walnuts contain the highest concentration of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids of any nut, specifically alpha-linolenic acid. Just 1 ounce of walnuts per day, which is about 14 walnut halves, provides your brain with essential nutrients that improve working memory and processing speed. Studies from UCLA found that adults who consumed walnuts regularly scored significantly higher on cognitive tests than those who did. UNT, the vitamin E in walnuts also protects brain cells from oxidative stress, which is one of the primary causes of mental fatigue and brain fog. When you're feeling mentally sluggish in the afternoon, a small handful of walnuts can provide the nutrients your brain needs to regain focus and clarity. Number 8 brings us to dark chocolate. And before you get too excited, we're talking about chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content. The flavonoids in dark chocolate, particularly epictetin and catechin, increase blood flow to the brain by up to 8% within just 2 hours of consumption. This increased circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients to brain tissue, leading to improved cognitive performance. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition showed that people who consumed dark chocolate 5 times per week had 30% better performance on memory tests compared to those who rarely ate chocolate. The key compound here is phenylethylamine, which triggers the release of endorphins and dopamine, creating a natural mood boost while simultaneously enhancing focus and concentration. Just 1 square of high-quality dark chocolate contains enough active compounds to provide measurable cognitive benefits. Coming in at number 7, we have eggs, specifically the yolks that many people unfortunately discard. Egg yolks are one of the richest dietary sources of choline, a nutrient that serves as a precursor to acetylcholine, your brain's primary learning and memory neurotransmitter. When you don't get enough choline, your brain literally cannot produce adequate amounts of this crucial chemical messenger. Studies show that people with higher choline intake score significantly better on memory tests and have larger brain volumes in areas associated with memory formation. 1 large egg provides about 127 milligrams of choline, which is roughly 25% of the daily recommended intake for optimal brain function. The lecithin in egg yolks also helps maintain healthy cell membranes throughout your nervous system. Number 6 is green tea, which contains a unique amino acid called L-theanine that works synergistically with caffeine to produce a state of calm alertness. Unlike coffee, which can create jittery energy followed by a crash, green tea provides sustained mental clarity for 3 to 4 hours. The L-theanine increases alpha wave activity in your brain, which is associated with relaxed focus and creativity. Japanese studies following thousands of participants over decades found that people who drank 2 or more cups of green tea daily had 50% lower rates of cognitive decline as they aged. The catechins in green tea, particularly EGCG, also protect brain cells from inflammation and oxidative damage. Just 1 cup of high-quality green tea contains enough active compounds to improve attention span and working memory within 30 minutes of consumption. At number 5, we have avocados, which provide pronounced saturated fats that support healthy blood flow to the brain. The oleic acid in avocados helps maintain the integrity of myelin, the fatty tissue that surrounds nerve fibers and speeds up neural communication. When your myelin is healthy, information processes faster and more efficiently throughout your brain. Research from Tufts University found that people who ate one avocado daily for 6 months showed significant improvements in working memory and problem-solving skills. Avocados also contain folate, which helps prevent amino acid buildup that can impair cognitive function. The combination of healthy fats, fiber, and micronutrients in avocados creates sustained energy without the blood sugar spikes that can lead to mental fog. Number 4 brings us to broccoli, a true superfood for brain health that most people drastically underestimate. Broccoli contains exceptionally high levels of vitamin K, which is essential for forming sphingolipids, a type of fat that's densely packed into brain cells. Without adequate vitamin K, your brain cannot maintain healthy cell membranes or efficient neural signaling. Just 1 cup of cooked broccoli provides over 100% of your daily vitamin K needs. Studies show that people with higher vitamin K intake have better episodic memory and faster processing speeds. Broccoli also contains compounds called glucosinolates, which reduce inflammation in brain tissue and may help prevent neurodegenerative diseases. The choline content in broccoli further supports acetylcholine production for enhanced learning capacity. Taking the number 3 spot are blueberries, often called nature's brain candy for good reason. The anthocyanins that give blueberries their deep color are powerful antioxidants that cross the blood-brain barrier and accumulate in areas crucial for memory and learning. These compounds improve communication between brain cells and may even stimulate the growth of new neural connections. Harvard researchers following over 16,000 women found that those who ate blueberries and strawberries regularly had memory performance equivalent to being 2.5 years younger. The effects are remarkably fast-acting too. Studies show that consuming just 1 cup of fresh blueberries can improve memory performance within 2 hours, with benefits lasting up to 5 hours. The natural sugars in blueberries also provide quick energy for demanding mental tasks. Number 2 is turmeric, the golden spice that contains curcumin, one of the most potent anti-inflammatory compounds found in food. Chronic inflammation in the brain is linked to depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline. But curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and directly reduce inflammatory markers in brain tissue. This creates an optimal environment for new brain cell growth and enhanced neuroplasticity. Indian populations that consume turmeric regularly have significantly lower rates of Alzheimer's disease compared to Western populations. Clinical studies show that people taking curcumin supplements score 18% higher on memory tests after 18 months compared to placebo groups. The piperine in black pepper increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%, so combining turmeric with a pinch of black pepper maximizes its brain-boosting effects. And our number 1 brain-boosting food is spinach, packed with nutrients that work together to optimize cognitive function. Spinach contains high levels of lutein, folate, vitamin K, and nitrates that all support brain health through different mechanisms. The lutein accumulates in brain tissue and protects against age-related cognitive decline, while folate supports healthy neurotransmitter production. Research from Rush University following over 900 seniors found that those who ate leafy greens daily had brains that functioned as if they were 11 years younger. The nitrates in spinach improve blood flow to the brain, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to support peak mental performance. Just 1 cup of fresh spinach provides your brain with a comprehensive array of nutrients needed for optimal function. Now, as promised, here is that complete 1-day brain-boosting meal plan. Start your morning with a spinach and mushroom omelette made with 2 whole eggs, cooked in a little coconut oil. Add half an avocado on the side and brew yourself a cup of green tea. This combination provides choline, healthy fats, and L-theanine to start your day with sustained mental clarity. For lunch, prepare a salmon salad with mixed greens, walnuts, and blueberries, dressed with olive oil and lemon juice. This meal delivers omega-3s, antioxidants, and vitamin E to maintain focus through your afternoon. Have another cup of green tea if you need an energy boost. Your afternoon snack should be 1 square of dark chocolate paired with a small handful of walnuts. This provides flavonoids and omega-3s to combat any mental fatigue. For dinner, enjoy grilled salmon with steamed broccoli seasoned with turmeric and black pepper, alongside a small sweet potato. End your day with a cup of herbal tea containing a pinch of turmeric. This meal plan incorporates all 10 brain-boosting foods while providing steady energy and comprehensive nutrition for optimal cognitive performance. Try following this plan for just 1 week and pay attention to how much sharper and more focused you feel. Your brain will thank you for feeding it the nutrients it truly needs to thrive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to upgrade your life.
Thank you for tuning into the LISTIFY Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to enjoy as we unpack more of all life's amazing moments, people, places, hacks, helpful hints, and wonders.